Alright, so here's another iPhone SDK tutorial video. This time we're not going to be using the UI table view like my previous videos. We're going to be learning about MapKit. This is just an initial first part video to MapKit. We're just going to kind of get the framework running and kind of explore what we have available to us in Interface Builder when it comes to MapKit. So go ahead and open up Xcode, do File, New Project, and let's just do a view-based application this time. So choose, I'll just call this MapKit 1. Alright. But you can name it whatever you want. Anyway, so here we are. We have all of our classes and everything. Let's just go ahead and go into our resources and go to our nib file for MapKit1 viewcontroller.xib. Opens up Interface Builder. So here is our view, and I want to find just a map view. That's what we want. There we go. Now there it is. And if we go to our attributes and go to that first tab, sorry, with this selected, first tab, you can, for type, you can select whatever one you want. For now, let's just go and do satellite. That's cool. And then for interaction, I'm going to check shows user location just so we can see what a pin will look like when we're in our map. And allow zooming, allow scrolling, just basically it's self-explanatory. When you're on the map view, you can either, checking those two allows you to zoom and scroll, on the actual devices using your fingers and stuff like that. Anyway, that all looks good. Now delegate, we're going to set as our file's owner. What this allows us to do is when the time comes and we're actually going to do some programmatic loading of pins onto the map view, we need to have this delegate set, and it all looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go and save that in Interface Builder. Now we're going to go to our view controller, and since we've defined this as a delegate, let's go ahead and do MKMapView delegate right there, just like kind of like how we did with the UI table view data source and delegate. You just put the less than and greater than signs and type in there. And also, what we need to do before anything in our map is going to work, we have to add in frameworks. We have to add the MapKit framework. So if you go right click on frameworks and add existing framework, you go and look for MapKit.framework. That's what we want to add. So there it is. And then also we have to make sure to import this framework. And if you do the less than sign MapKit, and then it auto-completes that for you, and then finish that off. And then also right in here, just so it knows where this MKMapView delegate's coming from, we have to do it right here as well. So let's just go ahead and save that, build and run, and let's see what it does. Alright, so here's our map. Nothing special yet, but we can at least see, oh, there's our location. I mean, on the iPhone simulator, that's not where I'm actually located. I'm in New Mexico, but for the iPhone simulator, just by default, they show San Francisco area. So here's your current location as we defined, and it's in, so yeah. And then one more thing before we end this part 1 video is just set up an IB outlet so that we can interact with our map view, and then next tutorial where we do some more customization. IB outlet, MKMapView, let's just call it map view. And then also with the IB outlets, you also have to define it as a property on outside of the brackets. By the way, we're in our .h file. At property, non-atomic, retain, which is what you're going to have most of the time. when you define properties as a non-atomic retain ID outlet, we're basically just saying everything that's right here already. MKMapView, MapView with the star there, indicating a pointer. So now we have our map view on our view, and before we end this, once again, let's just go ahead and let's see, go to Files Owner now, and then up here in Outlets you should see Map View. Go ahead and drag that property down to Map View, so that associates our IB outlet named Map View to the actual Map View, so we can later customize things and do all that stuff. So I'm going to save that. That's all we're going to do for this part 1, but stay tuned for the next one. We're going to do some customization. Thanks for watching.